So what do we do when we get a question that you don't know the answer to? The first thing, let's look at an example of a question. When is your office in Berlin opening? So let's say you are presenting your startup and you are going to be sometime the entire Europe coverage, but at the moment you don't know the answer to this question. So a very fair answer is, I'm not in charge with the decision, so I don't know when, maybe in September 2021. This is not something that is going to leave the audience excited or even satisfied with this type of question, of this type of answer. So what do you do when you have a question that you don't know the answer to? If you don't know the answer, then what you can do is you need to reframe the question in a way that is making something that you can actually answer to. Then be open about not knowing and give some sort of direction of either when you will be able to answer it or who from your team or company can answer to that question. So how do we tackle a question that we don't know the answer to? When is the office in Berlin opening? So you want to know when we open an office in Berlin. To be honest, I don't know when we will. However, I do know that we are expanding and growing in multiple locations across Europe. And we have here our business director manager that can give you more insights after this presentation into some more concrete dates when the office is going to open. So you see, this is how we show confidence and control over the question without actually saying that we don't know the answer to that blank point. So that's what I want you to understand. The way to tackle a question that you don't know the answer to is to really be honest about it, because the consequences of not being honest can bite you later on. So don't do that. Be honest about it, but don't just say, I don't know. Give them something more. And that's the mechanic behind how to tackle a question that you don't know the answer to.